So let's continue on with solving word problems involving algebra. A couple examples here, or a few examples, just how to write algebraic expression with one variable. We have something like 3 times the volume decreased by 20, 3 times the volume decreased by 20, 1/2 of Kent's age 6 years ago. Well, Kent's age 6 years ago, and then we take half of that. And 1/3 of Johnny's age 10 years from now. Well, Johnny's age 10 years from now, and then we're going to take 1/3 of that. So we only have 2 examples because they are a little bit more complicated. The cost of a pen is 3 times the cost of a pencil. The cost of 4 pencils and 3 pens is $9.75. What is the cost of a pencil? Well, I'm going to set my variables. Let P equal pencil and 3P equal pen, right? Because we know a pen is 3 times the cost, right? Pen is 3 times the cost of a pencil. That's where we get 3P from. And I know that the equation that I have to follow is 4 pencils and 3 pens is $9.75. So 4 pencils and 3 pens, 3P, equals $9.75. So then I can actually do this operation of multiplying 3 into 3P. I end up getting 4P plus 9P is equal to 9.75. Solve for my variable P, which I end up getting a pencil to be 0.75, or a pencil is 75 cents. Last example. For a school play, there were 600 tickets sold for a total of $2,800. Adult tickets cost $6 and student tickets cost $2. How many adult tickets were sold? How many student tickets were sold? So let's key pieces of information. 600 tickets were sold for $2,800. Okay. I need to know adult tickets cost $6 and student tickets cost $2. How many of each were sold? So we're going to focus on the left side here. I need to set what the variables are for adult tickets and student tickets. So simply let A equal the number of adult tickets and let S be the number of student tickets. So right there, I know that they cost $6, so $6 for an adult ticket, $2 for a student ticket, plus $2 for a student ticket, gives us $2,800. So the 2 equations that we're going to kind of play with right now are something that has to do with money and then the number of tickets. So 6A plus 2S equals $2,800. And then how many tickets were sold? Well, 600 were sold. So with the combination of adult tickets and student tickets, you get 600 tickets sold. Well, I can't put 2 different variables. I can't solve this equation because I have 2 variables. I can't do that. But if I know that the second part of this equation, adult tickets and student tickets sold, were 600 total, I can isolate a variable here. I can bring this A over so that the student is actually 600 minus A. So when I go ahead and I plug this in to my equation, I end up getting 6A plus 2 times 600 minus A, which is our S value, is equal to 2,800. So now I plug that into the equation and I can solve for A because I have a single variable in this equation. When I solve it, I distribute 2 into the bracket. 6A plus 1,200 minus 2A equals 2,800. 4A is equal to 1,600. And I divide both sides by 4. I get a value for A to be 400, which means 400 is the number of adult tickets. Okay, so what about student tickets though? Well, we remember that student tickets is 600 minus adult tickets. So we find A to be 400. Well, 600 minus 400 gives us 200. So therefore, there are 400 adult and 200 student tickets.